writer, self-empowerment life coach, and your host for Empowered Tuesday series. Let's begin with episode 5, focusing on what is core foundation. In the last episode, we saw what is mental toughness, and we ended with our mental toughness needs to be aligned with core foundation. So today we'll see what is this core foundation. So core foundation is made up of 3 steps. The first step is where you find out 2 values in each of the 4 areas of your life. Again, I'm repeating, you need to find out 2 values in each of the 4 areas of your life. The first is your physical and mental health. You need to assign 2 values to your physical and mental health. Then comes your knowledge and learning. 2 values you will attach to your knowledge and learning. Then comes your relationships. You're going to attach 2 values to your relationships. And lastly, your financial well-being. So there are many values. Out of that, you need to attach 2 values which you authentically connect to in each of these 4 areas. That's your first step. Your second step is understanding the interconnection between these 4 areas of your life. Understanding the interconnection between these values which you are individually going to set in the 4 areas of your life. Your physical and mental health values and areas are totally interconnected with your knowledge and learning. If you are physically and mentally fit, then you are ready to be mindful when you are learning or grasping knowledge formally or informally. So your physical and mental fitness area is interconnected to your knowledge and learning. Once you are physically and mentally fit, you have an understanding of the knowledge and learning focus based on your value systems. You move ahead to creating relationships in your life. The relationships to which you are adding distinctive values and those who are adding it back in your life. You're very aware of your inner circle. You're very aware of creating an inner circle of creative, uplifting people in your life. And once these 3 things are in set, that is your physical and mental fitness is in set, you're interconnecting it with your knowledge and learning, you're interconnecting that with the relationships which you're building in your life, keep being aware of it, automatically your financial well-being falls in place, because your financial well-being is totally dependent on your relationships and your basic value systems, okay? And this all 4 things will be in harmony. So that is the second step. And the third step is using this value systems in the 4 areas of your life as a core foundation and developing a practice of living out of it. Like in his book, A New Republic of the Heart, philosopher Terry Patton, he keeps on repeating the importance of having a practice of living. What is this practice of living? So in our life, instead of moving ahead on an autopilot mode, getting distracted or conveniently going from one focus to another, or conveniently getting influenced by the people around us, why not have a practice of living which enables us to get up every morning again and again in alignment with our core foundation, in alignment with our highest intelligence, and in alignment of what matters the most to us, what is our value system, what is our core foundation, being aligned to it. Yeah, so these were the 3 steps. First step is decide 2 values in each of the 4 areas which I told you: physical and mental health, knowledge and learning, relationship and financial well-being. Second step is understand the interconnection between these 4 areas and the 2 values you are setting each in these 4 areas. And last is developing a practice for living. It's very essential to develop a practice for living. Like Les Brown, he says that his practice for living is, for getting up every morning is, he says that there is no bad day. Every day is a character building day for him. So wonderful. So that's his practice for living. Likewise, we need to develop our practice for living, and that will surely lead us towards mental toughness. So that's all for today's video. If you find that this information was useful for you, I request you to like and share if you're watching on Facebook and LinkedIn, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe. Take care, stay protected.